In today's fast-paced business environment, capturing every details of your meeting and conversation is crucial. Otter.ai revolutionizes the way you document and interact with your discussions, ensuring no valuable insight is ever missed. Otter.ai offers real-time transcription, converting spoken words into text instantly during meetings, interviews, or lectures, making information easily accessible and searchable. With advanced speaker identification, Otter.ai differentiates between speakers, providing clarity and context to your script. Seamlessly integrates Otter.ai with platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams, allowing it to automatically join and transcribe your virtual meeting. Enhance collaboration with highlighting key points, adding comments, and inserting images directly with your transcript, ensuring all team members are aligned. Access your transcripts and recording on the go with Otter.ai mobile app, ensuring productivity doesn't stop when you are away from your desk. Otter.ai AI-driven summaries and action items keeps your team informed and focused, with the ability to share insights effortlessly through integrations like Slack. Professionals worldwide trust Otter.ai to streamline their workflow, enhance productivity, and ensure that every conversation is captured and accessible. Transform the way you capture and collaborate. Experience the new power of Otter.ai today. Like, comment, share.